welcome to my new video setup. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I'm moving around my office, so now I'm filming with my professional studio lighting. It's a little bit late in the day, but I'm able to film, so I'm really excited about that. So today's video is going to be how to make a self-love mini album. The theme for September is self-love, so this fits right in. And I have these old photos of me that I printed. Some of these are extra that didn't make into my project life. So I'm going to be using these photos today to scrapbook. I also am using my Radical Love collection mostly. I do have some of my Bright Summer collection here, like this pattern. I went ahead and trimmed down the size. I'm going to be doing it 6x8 because that fits really nicely in this mini album. I got this at Target a couple years ago. They always used to have these in the bin, like in the dollar section. This was $3, so I'm going to use this one for my project. I'm going to go ahead and punch the holes, and I'm going to glue these pages back to back. I'll probably do that off camera because it's pretty basic. I'm just going to take the pages, glue them together, punch the holes. So I'll be back for the fun part, which is decorating and putting the album together. And for the rest of the video, I'll probably speed it up. So I hope you guys enjoy watching and enjoy this month's theme, which is all about self-love and self-care. Alright, let's get started. So I have all my pages ready to go. I'll add more pages later on as I work in this album, but for now this is what I have so far. I also have my September printable here all cut out and ready to go. I use circle dies to cut these two elements out, and I think I'm gonna layer these together because they look so cute. I love this little uterus. It's so funny. I don't know, it just makes me laugh every time I see it. I always smile. And then I have my two cards here. Take care of yourself, work on you for you, and she's got the power. I have these to work with. I'll put them aside. So it's going to be more like a self-love, all about me kind of album, things I like and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna use this photo here.